ETO jobs and responsibilities. As a chief engineer, I want to tell you one thing, that if there are 2 or 3 ranks on board ship, those which I respect a lot. One is that of electrical officer. I'll tell you why. One is that of a chief cook, because his routine remains same every single day. No Saturday, no Sunday, every single day for the 9 months contract. And third is chief officer, getting up every day in the morning at 4 a.m, then working till 12 noon, and then getting up again working from 4 to 8, और अगर लोडिंग डिस्चार्जिंग है तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है. सो ये 3 रैंक्स हैं. एंड प्लीज़ गाइज, इफ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एनी सी फेयर, प्लीज डोंट पास एनी जजमेंट्स. ये मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है एंड आई कैन बी रॉन्ग. ओके, दिस थिंग इज नॉट टू ऑफेंड एनी वन. ओके, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट. अब मैं बताता हूँ कि वाई डू आई रिस्पेक्ट द इलेक्ट्रिकल ऑफिसर मोर. सो शिप इज अ 300 मीटर लॉन्ग शिप एंड it is say 50 meter, it has got depth, engine room है, ऊपर है, bridge है, and there are lot of electrical equipments on board ship. So you can talk about, you have got generators, main engine, compressors, motors, marine growth prevention system, you have got radars on board bridge, and you have got critical machineries, lighting equipments, lots and lots of equipments on board ship. And there is just one person to take care of, and that is electrical officer. Now what happens is, say as an engineer, I'm a 4th engineer, I'm working on purifier. If something goes wrong, then 3rd engineer will try to help me. Maybe 2nd engineer, chief will have experience that they will share with me. But when there is a fault in the electrical finding, this person is left alone. क्योंकि यार हम लोग as a marine engineers, we have not studied electrical. That is why I tell all the marine engineers to study electrical electronics, when you will become an asset on board ship. And that is how I earn respect on board ship as an engineer, because all my electrical officers liked me, because I always used to support them कि यार ये कर लो, ये करूँगा. electrical diagrams पढ़ता था and they loved it as well. So यार यहाँ पर क्या है कि मैं अगर सिंपल बोलूँ, you are there to take care of all the electrical equipments on board ship. ये मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ, which is not an easy task. Lighting system हो गया, motors हो गए, reefer system, air conditioning system, MGPSIC system, generators, shaft earthing devices. Not just this, I have a saying on board ship कि when a problem is not identified, who will solve this? It becomes बत्ती साहब's problem on board ship. बत्ती साहब means popularly हम बत्ती साहब कहते हैं, but that is electrical officer on board ship. So guys, इलेक्ट्रिकल ऑफिसर का डे कैसे शुरू होता है? एवरी डे मॉर्निंग ही हैज टू टेक अ राउंड, चेक ऑल दी मोटर्स, ऑल दी पैरामीटर्स. देन ही हैज गॉट हिज ओन प्लान मेंटेनेंस सिस्टम कि आज मुझे आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन द रीफर सिस्टम और द एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम, और आई हैव टू चेक द रडार, गो चेक द मैग्नेट्रॉन, और आई हैव टू चेक द लाइटिंग्स ऑफ दीज प्लेसेस. अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ्स आर देयर. देन ही डज दैट एंड ही इज डायरेक्टली रिपोर्टिंग टू द चीफ यार कि बड़ा साहब आज मैं ये काम करने वाला हूँ, दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई एम प्लानिंग. एंड हिज जॉब इज नॉट ईजी. कॉपरेट गाइस, आई एम टेलिंग यू, इंसुलेशन चेक करना है 24 वोल्ट, 110 वोल्ट, 220 वोल्ट, 440 वोल्ट. अलार्म मॉनिटरिंग हैज गॉट 0 फॉल्ट्स इन द शिप्स अलार्म सिस्टम. ये सब चीज़ें ईटो मॉनिटर्स. बैटरीज चेक करनी है, इमरजेंसी टेस्ट करने हैं, इमरजेंसी जनरेटर, लोड टेस्ट, टेस्टिंग ऑफ फायर अलार्म्स एंड डिफरेंट इक्विपमेंट्स लाइक ऑली वाटर सेपरेटर अलार्म, पूरी फायर अलार्म्स, ये सब बत्ती साहब करते हैं गाइस. क्रिटिकल सिस्टम्स लाइक रडार, गायरो, रेडियो कम्युनिकेशन, GMDS इक्विपमेंट्स, अगर कुछ खराबी होएगी तो बत्ती साहब विल बी कॉल्ड. Engineers will be called, but बत्ती साहब के बारे में चलो मैनुअल पढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं. This is very very important. So all in all, when I'm talking about this thing, I want to tell you, you have to become a strong electrical officer on board ship with good knowledge. Otherwise, you will be a liability on ship. So ये आपको जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Chief ETO maintains alarm history, motor rolling record book, battery parameter log, mega test reports. ये सब चीज़ें when you do that 4 months ETO course, you will get to know. You can watch, you can check the Merchant Navy decoded blogs. All in all, I want to say is it is not an easy life, but it's a good life, rewarding life, and you can earn a lot. Having said that, do not make the wrong choice. Go with sponsorship. Go to the colleges, companies that we recommend for that. Download Merchant Navy Start app. Everything from the right college to the right information to the right guidance, whether it is medical, college, exam pattern, anything, everything, along with quiz questions, everything is out here in this app. Last but not the least, if you have decided to prepare, go check out our ETO Aspirant Excellence Package online on Merchant Navy Decoded platform. Watch these videos, check out the free trial videos, and then invest. Hundreds of ETO aspirants have got selected in the right companies with the right information. And maybe in 2027, we might start our offline coaching center at ETO at SM Video Marine Academy, Dehradun as well. But 2026, this is what we have got. Take care, bye.